This is the condenser unit, also known as the outdoor unit of an HVAC. And as you can see, its fins are totally choked because it has not been cleaned for many years. This is important to make sure that it is clean because it will save you cost and also increase the life of your unit. Before doing any work on the unit, please make sure that the breaker is turned off. I'll show you how to clean it easily in 15 minutes or less. As a first step, just rinse so that all the dust and grime gets loose, then spray it with a detergent. Once you have sprayed with the detergent, you can give it 5 or 10 minutes and then start washing it with the pressure hose. Go from top to bottom, sidewise. Give special focus on the bottom fin, because there are drain holes there which normally get blocked. Make sure you put special emphasis there, and then also spray water straight from outside to inside. There you can see water going in, which means all the fins are properly cleaned. And similarly, continue on all sides. Make sure you put special focus on the bottom fin. And once all the cleaning is done, this is what the final result looks like. Clean aluminum fins for maximum efficiency. Thanks for watching.